Number 7 goes up the inside. Can he drift wide? Can he hold it? Sure, no, but he loses.
Who is it?
Up the inside.
It's Ramadhipa leading them. Ramadhipa, he squirts away. Is he going to win?
Yes, it's going to be Ramadhipa.
Ramadhipa! Yes, what a win!
Riding was really what made it work for him, and he's been concentrating on that. He's absolutely brilliant. Arunas Gibesa. So any chance you have to see him, do so.
Time for something very special, the Indonesian national anthem here in Spain for Kiandra Ramadhipa.